Yes, muri muta Uganda kandi amakuru agariho iriza campaign zindi zigendo misho must kandi ogundiye muswaga net promoter Wankole Media ninkora n'abantu binje Savage Beazin ZDJ Masho eko MC Mr Life Kabaka. So Mr Life Kabaka je mfirudi kana no kutisa amakuru no basagura computer nitwe kandi sha hejo pase kwefuna laptop ya man munonga itare hobuzibu kandi ine garanti kandi baseniwe kweterera laptop ya man. So no basa kujigura nitwe na man zo mushanjitano binabindi biri mwenda 00 katuje no mfurudi turebe kiri
Sawara abantu ni president turiyo turonda ambara investor basawora
president wa fono toni justice Kizito people power our power
ani sawara kacha abantu president turiyo turonda sawora turona justice mugenzi Kizito abadil chance niwa kumanya bitwe ko etenga toku wamle Mr. Life Kabaka comedian Western Uganda ni MC Masweko beni yani yonja kwa makuru okuno president wa university wa president ogogaria mzinda president wa kureba ya mzinda rokwe ogogo wenyina yenya aino mzinda rokwe no president kwa ndo para science Wankole Media subscribe inga like ingo guni Mr Life Kabaka comedy post in Uganda tonja kukisia makuru ali Wankole Media manto atiriye wa nupu president wa nupu mweno gunawe ni president naona endo bwa gidi president byo ni mbisyo barebe abana independence Simbre Noah na Noah. Okay, David Tege na bie bubuza. Naona ndio president Simbre Noah nupu. Congolese in the independence. Aliambara University sasa technology. Yonja kusanga Nkore Media subscribing, liking, sharing. Nkore Media ne kusema ibintu bingi munonga oine Mr. Life Kabaka na korana MC Masweko. Kuni Mr. Life Kabaka Community Spouse and Uganda. Ya wasa chirama kuni mameta guild president. Na endewe na guild president ni endewe yakwetaga abwanupu Ambara University Science Technology. Yeah. Bano wenyino ogo bazuri ready. Bo wenyino waliyo na gambo go.
But we are paying this money. Our parents also will not to get this money, and the university instead decides not to give us the taxes that we deserve to pay. Ladies and gentlemen, who to make this office, I promise you but nothing. None other than fighting for your rights. I don't have much to say. Thank you very much.
Gambato amakuru ngakuchibwa Nkore Media subscribing liking ni Mr. Life Kabaka Community Spouse Uganda yagakusyo ni korana MC Masweko ya Nkore Media subscribing liking sharing ya achiriambe yongerayo